wanted to give you guys a video review about this little hot glue gun. I've used it a couple times and I really enjoy it. It comes with a pretty cool little conversion table and a ruler, so it can help you with your crafts. You get your gun and a little stand stick, as well as 2 glue sticks. It comes with the standard size. It has 2 temperature settings. You have your low and your high. It's very comfortable to hold in your hand. Also has this little rubber thing on the edge so that you don't accidentally burn yourself when it gets hot. It does take a little bit to warm up once you plug it in, but once you do, it goes really nicely. It controls the flow, and nice little long cord so you can plug in anywhere. I've actually used it already for my photo booth business, and I am tugging on it and it is not going anywhere. So it is really good quality, definitely a must if you like crafting. And it also comes, which is pretty darn awesome, with a coupon right on your box. So for your next purchase or for a gift or something, comes right on it. And they also give you a little bit of information about a company they sponsor, which is called Girls Dope. So overall, it is really a great product. I'm very happy with it. And if you guys need a hot glue gun, go for it.